Hey, these are GB birds, and look at my birds grooming each other. This is the mum and the dad. Look how cute they are together, grooming each other. One boy, one girl. As you can see, one stretching is a male. His name is Buddy. The one that is getting her head scratched is Sally. I have mentioned this a couple of times, but they do have 8 kids, and they're very good parents. But back to the video. This is them scratching themselves, grooming each other, if you want to call it that. Oh no, here comes the cat. Still grooming each other. Oops, kind of scared him there. Sorry. Anyway guys, this video is going on for too long. My next video will be why are cockatiels so cute, and stay tuned because it will be right after this when they finish grooming each other. And thanks guys, and this is my cat.